Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the D&D Spherule dice. This is the yellow set. Every set is hand poured, polished, and painted, which means every set is one of a kind. Let's get right into it. So in the bag you got a little promo card, and then you got the dice set. If we come in for a closer look on the dice set itself, this thing looks amazing. It's very unique. So it's yellow, but it's not like lemon yellow. And I don't know if the camera's doing it justice because my monitor up here looks a little more orange, but my other monitor looks a little more spot on. But I promise you it's not orange. It's not yellow, somewhere in between, but it's still within the yellow spectrum. I would say maybe a Meyer lemon if you haven't seen one of those. But all the little spheres inside look amazing, and it's interesting to see how each one settles where within each dice. So I don't know if they're doing like a set number of spheres per dice, and then the way they settle is the way they settle because, right, something like this little square dice right here would have less surface area than the dodecahedron. But as you look through it, you can kind of see how they settle differently. We got some colors of like red and green and silver and maybe a yellow, but that could be very well just the color of yellow inside reflecting on the orbs differently. So maybe there's like an illusion or a little trick there, but everything looks really good. It's also interesting too, if you look right where the corners come together, there's like a little bit of magnification. I think that's called refraction. I learned that in science or something, but yeah, so these are all unique, one of a kind, right? This one over here, the diamond, right, has a little more transparency on this side, where this side over here is a little more yellow. You're just gonna have to take my word for it, but definitely a unique one-of-a-kind dice set. Our one-of-a-kind dice sets are gonna give your next game some added fun and personality.